How to use aloe vera on the face. What are the advantages of using aloe vera to the face overnight? It's time to learn about any benefits of aloe vera if you haven't already. There is already evidence to support the idea that it is the ideal way to handle medical and cosmetic problems. However, because the outer peel contains a variety of essential components and has beneficial medicinal properties, it is occasionally mashed intact with the washed leaves, depending on the condition you are treating and whether you have fresh leaves or ready pulp. There are various ways to use its leaves. Recent research has shown that applying the plant's pulp or juice overnight is the best method to benefit from everything it has to offer without putting much work into it. At night, your skin is more able to absorb the beneficial component from it. Therefore, it could be a good idea to try using it for the evening and see the outcome. Here are several advantages of using aloe vera on the face. The finest results are obtained if you keep it on your face overnight. Despite the fact that most people use it as a facial mask that must be removed after use, you could brighten your skin with its aid. It can help you somewhat brighten your skin tone regardless of what it is currently. If you have darker skin on your face, this effect will be noticeable. Directly applying aloe vera to them will greatly lessen pigmentation and increase the elasticity of your skin. Then, using an aloe vera night mask can aid in the treatment of acne. You can treat breakouts and prevent the emergence of new ones by using the pulp's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. The wonderful thing about aloe vera for treating acne is that you may apply it even to extremely sensitive skin areas. When applied to the eye area, it can also effectively decrease puffiness and moisturize the skin. Almost immediately after the first application, you will see a decrease in the appearance of fine wrinkles around your eyes. Aloe vera is a fantastic substance that helps the skin that has been exposed to the sun and wind feel less irritated and dry. It lessens flaking and dryness, gives the skin back its suppleness and a healthy shine, and gives it a new color. Not everyone is aware that oily skin also need hydration. Aloe vera, a natural moisturizer for oily skin that controls sebum production and maintains skin health constantly, is fortunately effective. The cure works best when used every day over the course of an overnight period. Aloe vera and its soothing properties can be used to treat wounds from wind or sun, chapped lips, and injuries in the corners of your mouth. Additionally, thanks to the remedy's antibacterial properties, minor wounds, irritation, and other scratches on your face won't become infected. Aloe vera may significantly speed up the regeneration process and remove dead skin cells from your face. When left on overnight, spread aloe vera all over your face, paying special attention to your hairline and eyebrows. To treat a cold sore, dab a little of the gel onto it twice daily until it disappears. Can dark spots be removed with aloe? One of the easiest and most efficient face masks for removing wrinkles and fine lines from the face is this one. For instance, combining its juice or gel with a few drops of coconut oil to cure dryness will result in the greatest moisturizer ever that is quickly absorbed and gives your skin the advantages of both ingredients. If you want to increase the effectiveness of aloe vera in treating acne, you should either add something, such as essential oils or plant extracts, or use the cleanest aloe vera gel you can find, if you want to get rid of the bags and wrinkles around your eyes. Additionally, you can improve your current creams and lotions by mixing in some pure aloe vera gel. The gel can quickly lose its potential abilities and advantageous benefits, even when maintained in the refrigerator. The same is true of newly created aloe vera products for the face. make certain that you don't cut more aloe leaves than you can use right away. If you're creating them from scratch using freshly cut aloe leaves, it is advised that you use just as much as necessary to leave your face just a little bit glossy. You must wipe away any surplus if you applied too much. A variety of essential oils, organic acids, flavones, tars, vitamins, amino acids, poly and monosaccharides, and certain alkaloids are present in the pulp of its leaves, which is utilized for cosmetic purposes. Such ingredients make it a potent beauty and healthcare treatment that can handle challenging skin conditions and other health issues. Aloe vera, its pulp, has the ability to eradicate certain fungi and even viruses when administered topically to treat particular skin conditions. These characteristics allow aloe vera for skin to cure a variety of skin conditions, including dermatitis, rashes, psoriasis, eczema, acne, scalds, and inflammation. Pure gel or a spray are the ideal substances to use on these places. These are the major advantages of applying aloe vera to the face overnight that you stand to acquire when you do it with the use of easy and enjoyable overnight masks.